Alright guys, I just got the 24-volt lithium battery. Comes with this wire as well. So let's do an opening. So the cardboard is very thick. Definitely good for support. Got two cables here. Got some padding on the sides. That's nice. We have a network cable here. So here's all the items that they check. And it's got the serial number. So we'll go ahead and keep that. Have a little close-up here. Got nothing here, nothing on the back. So the only things we have is the screws up here. Oh man, that thing is heavy. So we got our breaker. You got our terminals, you got our connections, the reset, and the dip switches. So I'm going to go ahead and just set it down real quick and we'll power it up. Alright, got it set up here. I just put some 2x4s to space it off, give it some airflow just in case I pull a lot of voltage. This way I have a little storage compartment as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out these batteries. Just excited to see what I see. Set it to DC volts and let's go ahead and stick our terminal here, stick our terminal here. And let's see here. So we'll flip the switch. There we go, 25 volts, 26. So it's got 75% technically. And we'll go ahead and flip this one on. Check the voltage of that one. 25, 26. So it looks like they need to be charged up. They're not equal. So I'll check the manual real quick, but we're probably going to end up connecting up these wires and letting them settle so they can kind of equalize, and we'll be good to go. I'll keep you guys posted.